On the last day of the trip and last day in Marrakech, we stroll through Marrakech at leisure.
We gaze at the beautiful courtyard of Riyadh, Trésor de Mille et un Nuits.
We are sucked in by the bustling souk. Colorful handicrafts and exotic souvenirs fill the stalls, and vendors hawk their wares with friendly persistence. We are enchanted by the craftsmanship and hospitality we encounter everywhere.
Visite tous le fascinating Musée du Patrimoine Immatériel. Located on Jima El Fna Square, this museum immerses us in Morocco's rich culture and traditions. We even learned that this building once housed Marrakech's first post office. After our museum visit, we enjoy a leisurely tuk-tuk ride back to our hotel. The ride offers a last chance to enjoy the bustle of this beautiful city.